Welcome back, everyone. This episode, we're going to be finishing off the deckling. Alright, this puppy is pretty much all done. I did a lot of touch-up work on the paint job. It looks not bad there. Everything looks good. Now, it's just a matter of getting these ones on now. So all I really need to worry about are the strips here along the sides of the warp nacelles. These strips, this, these, that. Don't worry about those. Don't worry about those or this. Everything's all on there for that. So let's get the show on the road. Okay, now I got all the decals here ready to go. The ones that I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be starting with these ones here, which are going to go on to the warp engine's exterior right here. One on either side. Fingers. Got the lines pretty much the way we want. And I'm going to put these ones on, which go here, around, and the same with underneath. These are the hardest ones to do. Okay, so I'm starting with 6 and 7. So 6 on that side, 7 on that side. Put them on there just like this for now, and then I can adjust them once they're on there. Still doesn't quite look right, but I don't know. This is very strange. Because these are a lot longer. I wonder. Okay, everybody out there in TV land, I'm kind of confused here. Okay, we'll keep going. Okay, well, they're on there. Just got a little bit of trimming to do on them, but other than that, they're on there and they're looking good. Okay, so next, let's get these installed. Okay, so it's 2 and 3, so 3 on this side, 2 on this side. Phaser arrays is at 1, 2, and it's the third one down. Redampen the area. For some reason. If the deco looks like it's getting a little bit tough to move, just add water. Just lightly dab it. Okay, next I'm going to be doing this one here that goes around the bridge section. Front part here of the deflector dish. Now there is a bit of a bulge on the deflector dish itself right in the center, so what I had to do is I had to cut out the clear part in the center of that so it won't be all wrinkly when I try to put it down. And there we go. Looks not too bad. Okay, we're nearing the final bit here, so let's put these on for the phasers. What I did here is I punched holes in the center there because the little nibs here for the phasers poke up, so they'll poke right through that. Alright. Decal sticks to the paper. You need something else, it's too wet. So get a dry one. Poke right up through. good. Now, if you're still having trouble with the decals here not staying put, there's a little trick. Use some of that clear coat, spray it into the top there. Use your brush, just dab it in there, and very gently just dab it on the decal. It'll dry, and then it's not going to move. But that's still not the final coat, and then I'm going to put a dull coat over top of everything when it's all done, and that way all the layers are sealed in and the ship will officially be finished. Alright, now we're going to do the thrust reports here. Okay. It's relatively easy for this to be put on. Put them on and then adjust them later. Just to get them on there. This is a thicker plastic here that's these are made with, so it's gonna have to use the clear coat once you've got it placed exactly where you want. So we're going to finish off with these here, and the very last things I'm going to put on are these. The registry goes here. Got the registry numbers on the rear of the engines, and we're all done. Well, there you have it, folks. She's done. USS Excelsior. Woohoo. Here we go, moment of truth. Well, everyone, this build was very fun to do. Took a while, but hey, it was well worth it. So please like, subscribe, and comment, and look forward to new builds. Catch you later.